This video is made for you who want to upload temperature data. You can use any type of temperature logger to upload temperature to Aqualink. You can upload the raw data if you have a HOBO temperature logger. If you have any other logger, please follow these steps. Open the data you have collected and select all of the data and copy it to a new spreadsheet. Paste all the data and select all the columns you don't need. Leave date, time, and temperature. Change the name to date_time, and the name for temperature should be temp. Save the spreadsheet and head over to Aqualink. Go to Upload Data. Select a survey point and a sensor type. Select HOBO data when you're uploading only temperature. Click on Continue to Upload and select the spreadsheet you just created. Click on Upload Files and wait until it has turned green. The files are now successfully uploaded, and we should continue by clicking on the Refresh page. This dataset was from 2021, so we need to scroll down and change the dates to 2021. Here you can see all the data we just uploaded to this site, and it's the orange line called HOBO Logger. If you have a data set that doesn't have the date and time merged together in one cell, please follow these instructions. Click on the empty cell and add an equal sign. Select the date cell, add a plus sign, add the time cell, and click on Enter. Click on the merged date and time and click on Custom. Select More Number Formats, type in :SS, and click on OK. Double-click on the little dot in the bottom right corner of the green rectangle to fill in all cells. Then, double-click between columns to widen the column field. Add the name to date_time, and the name for temperature should be temp. You should leave the date and time columns since they have the values we need. Head over to Aqualink and do the same step as previously demonstrated in this video.